Welcome. Today we're looking at how to interpret consumer co-creation reports for innovation research. As you navigate the report, the action bar becomes your central workspace for exploring insights in greater depth. Each tool is built to help you analyze findings from different angles depending on your research goals. Need a quick understanding of the discussion? The meeting chat functions like an AI research assistant, instantly summarizing conversations, surfacing key themes, and helping interpret nuanced consumer sentiment in real time. For teams focused on research transparency, the Properties panel provides a complete overview of how the report was generated. You can review the intelligence sources used, the audience segments included in the study, and the total respondent sample behind the findings. If you'd like to conduct your own analysis outside the platform, the transcript section gives you direct access to the raw participant responses. These transcripts can also be exported as structured datasets for additional modeling or reporting workflows. To continuously monitor changing consumer behavior, you can automate recurring research using the scheduling feature. This allows new reports to be generated automatically as fresh market signals and conversations emerge. The What This Means for You section helps translate research into action by identifying practical recommendations and strategic next steps based on the findings. The conclusion surfaces the converged variant, specific, actionable terms, materials, structural changes, functional specs, and the design rationale behind each decision. For stakeholders looking for a deeper breakdown, click See Detailed Analysis to explore the named themes. Each one explains a distinct dimension of the variant and the consumer reasoning that drove it. The themes cover branding, technical specs, and value proposition. What changed, and why the change was warranted based on what consumers surfaced during the co-creation session. Each theme includes supporting claims and user insights, specific design details, material preferences, functional requirements, the consumer logic behind every decision. You can toggle between individual twins to compare unique consumer perspectives and behavioral responses. How different perspectives shaped the final variant, where consensus emerged strongest. Access detailed transcripts to review exactly how each participant responded to every question in the focus group. And that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video. To learn more, write to us at info@profitwheel.com. You can also fill out a quick form at consumr.ai or read more at resource.consumr.ai.